Okay, let me also read this. It's a hii ni ile, yani sijaelewa jinsi frequency inafanya kazi vizuri. How do I understand it that they are trying to talk to me? Naelewaje kama mababu zangu wanataka kuongea na mimi? Kuna njia nyingine ile ya kuongea na mababu zangu bila kendo, bila kuwasha hizi maudi, bila kuweka maji au chochote? Okay. Yes, ipo. That is a very fair and deep question, and the fact that you are asking it means your ancestors are already trying to get your attention. You are not broken, you are not blocked, you are not doing it wrong. The problem is that we are taught that talking to spirit looks like a movie, a ghost appearing, a voice from nowhere, a candle flickering widely, but it reality. Ancestors speak in a language that is older than word. They speak in feeling, coincidence, memory, and subtle sign. Okay, my ancestor, mababu wanaongea kwa kutumia lugha za kale sana, ambazo hizo lugha ni hisia, matukio au situation, kumbukumbu au maalama. Let me break it down. How they speak, you can hear them without hearing them, and how to talk to them without a single candle. Their language, sudden, emotional. A wave of peace, warm, or even sadness that is not yours. Example, you are driving and suddenly feel deeply calm. That is them saying we are here. Physical sensation, tingling on your left shoulder, a chill on your neck, or warm on your chest, is a soft brush of air when all windows are closed. That is a touch. Repeatedly number of or symbols, seeing 11222 or specific animal repeatedly. You keep seeing crown or feeding white faith. That is them sending a message. Sudden memory, a random thought of your grandmother, or a forgotten child moment, or favorite song play on the radio right when you are stressed. How to listen when you cannot hear their voice or them talking. Ask a simple yes no question out loud in your mind. Grandmother, are you with me? Wait 3-5 seconds in a silence. Do not force it. Notice your body first respond. Warm, calm, tingling equal yes. Heavy, cold, ancient equal no or not now. Nothing at all equal that is okay. They are listening. They are just quiet right now. How to talk to ancestors without a candle? Just talk to them like they are sitting next to you. Say grandmother or grandfather or anybody. I am stressed today. Please guide me. they will hear you. Write a letter. Get a piece of paper, write their name or just dear ancestor. Write down your worry, your tense for your tense your question, then tear it apart and throw it outside the window. Carry it to them. Use water. Even without a candle, place a glass of fresh water on your dashboard or a table. Say this water is for you, my ancestor. Change it daily. That is a direct invitation. Yaani unaweza unachukua tu kikombe cha maji cha glasi ya maji unaweka hapa pale kwenye meza au sehemu yote ile nzuri, unasema hii ni kwa ajili yenu mababu zangu. Unaibadilisha kila siku. Hiyo ni ukaribishaji mzuri, watakaribia. Use your breath. Before you sleep, take 3 deep breaths on the last enhance whisper, visit me in my dream. If you have something to say, that is a powerful fire-free connection. Your ancestors do not need fire to hear you. Mababu zako hawahitaji moto ili kukusikiliza. Wanahitaji attention yako, kukumbuka kwako, kwamba unakumbuka uko na mababu ambao wewe hawajui, ama unakukumbuka kwako na moyo wako. Unaweza ukasema hivi: mababu zangu nawakumbuka, ninabeba damu yenu, niko na damu yenu, niko na hekima yenu, niko na nguvu zenu. Speak to me in dream. Muongee na mie ndani ya ndoto, ndani ya hisia, ndani ya moment of stillness. Guide me, protect me, help me find my way. I am listening, I am open, I am yours. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mababu zangu ninawakumbuka, ninabeba damu yenu, ninabeba hekima yenu, ninabeba nguvu zenu. Niongozeni, nionyesheni, ninawasikiliza, niko tayari, asanteni. Again, mababu zangu ninawakumbuka, ninabeba damu yenu, ninabeba hekima yenu, ninabeba nguvu zenu. Niongozeni, nionyesheni, ninawasikiliza, niko tayari, asanteni.